How to remove phone number from YouTube channel. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll just guide you on how you can remove your phone number from your YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually remove your phone number from your YouTube channel, you have to understand that your YouTube channel comes from your Google account. So you talking about removing your YouTube channel's phone number basically means you're trying to remove the account from your Google account. So that's how it works. You don't remove it from your YouTube channel or your YouTube account, but you remove it from your Google account in a nutshell. Now to get started with this process, you just have to open up the YouTube app. Then you want to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side here. Then you want to go to the option called manage your Google account. Now once you go to the option called manage your Google account, on the next specific page you're going to find an option where it says personal info. So you want to navigate to personal info here, and then when you go to personal info here, you'll find a section where it says your phone number. So you can see my phone number. I just need to tap on it. Once I tap on it, I just need to tap the phone number again. You can see this phone number is verified, and if I want to remove it, all I need to do is just tap the trash icon here. Now keep in mind that deleting your phone number may make your Google account more vulnerable and susceptible to hackers and all those viruses. So you want to make sure that your Google account is secure at all times, because this is where your base foundation of YouTube channel also comes from. So hope this video helped you understand a question as to how you can remove your phone number from YouTube channel. The bottom line is your YouTube channel comes from YouTube account, and your YouTube account is basically your Google account. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.